Hi, I'm Tiuzan, and I'm going to explain the basic gates designed using Quartus Prime Leads Edition. First, we create a new project wizard, and we need to save the folder in C drive to make sure the path is valid and permission permit. While we name the project, we need to make sure the name with no space between the start with alphabet to avoid passing error. Inside the file, we create a new block diagram schematic file. In this Canva, we can design. So, we got 4 inputs, which is key, passcard, fingerprint, and camera, and 2 outputs, which is unlock door and alarm. Using basic gate, we have 2 input AND gate, 3 input AND gates, NOT gate, and OR gate. After well organized, we have the view like this, and we need to go to Tools, Options, and check whether the EDS, Tools option and model is like this. So after that, we go processing and start compilation. After compilation, we can do the time simulation. So we go File, New University Program PWF, then we go to Edit and insert the node. Select all the right and click OK. And we are arrange the input and output. And then we set the grid size to 1 nanosecond, and the end time is 16 nanoseconds. Then set each of the input periods, which is 16, 8, 4, and 2 nanoseconds. After that, we try to run the simulation function after we save the file. There shows some error, which output file name. So, we go simulation setting and make some correction, and then start the simulation again. So, there is a window built up. It shows the simulation waveform editor on basic gate. So now, we name the project for NAND configuration. Create a new block diagram schematic file. The 4 inputs are still the same, which are key, passcard, fingerprint, and camera. And the 2 outputs, which are unlock door and alarm. Using NAND configuration, we use 7 NAND gates instead the basic gate. We organize it and get the view like this. So after that, we go processing and start compilation. Arrange the input and output. After compilation, we can do the time simulation. Then we set the time from 1 nanosecond to 60 nanoseconds. Set each of the input periods, which are 16, 8, 4, and 2 nanoseconds. We go to the simulation setting to make some correction, and then start the simulation again. It shows the simulation waveform editor. That's all. Thank you.